Okay, so it has stopped raining. Very disappointing. But I've run out of wine. So I'm now going to have, yes, this is what we call, so you got a Chateau de Glacé, and then you got a Chateau, what was that? Chateau de Glacé and Chateau de Bag, maybe. Which I want to have. And I probably don't drink like a normal person. I reckon I'm looking for that high. So it's sort of like, I hate the taste of wine. I really, really do. But if it's a good wine, not a problem. But when it comes in a deboxé, it's like disgusting. So you've got to get it into you really quickly. And then I have to take it into the bedroom because I feel like now I'm ready to make bed. Groot, do you think, come on, come here, come on, come here. Do you think you could get off the bed so I can make it? Groot, come on. Groot, do you want your pink sheet on there or not? Oh, there's the car coming down the driveway. And she's just like any of us that wants to spy on the neighbours, just wants to have a look, pull the curtain across. Yeah, no, I'm going to have a look at you. Like, what are you doing? Who are you with? Have you got something better than me? And that's us.